Hello friends, I am going to present here the first video for the Unilevel WooCommerce, that is the multi-level marketing plan. And we have created this one for the WordPress, and this plugin support with the WooCommerce, like the this is integrated or the migrated to the WooCommerce as well. So this is name is the Unilevel WooCommerce, and as you know, if you know about the WordPress, then definitely the plugin, how the plugins is installed. This is the simple process that if you have the zip file, then you need to put the zip file in the plugins directory of the WordPress, WP content plugins and WordPress, and then put the zip file and extract that one. Before installing this one, you need to install the WooCommerce. That is the important part because without the WooCommerce, our plugin will not be installed in the WordPress anyhow. So first of all, you need to set up the WooCommerce. I have set up already here the WooCommerce, but I need to update you some settings that is the necessary for the running the our plugin as well with the WooCommerce. I have here installed the WP Mail SMTP plugin. This is because I set up SMTP here for the mail trap, basically to get the notifications, email notifications there. Because if we will test here, then definitely we will use the temporary emails to create the members in this one plan. So first of all, let me explain about the WooCommerce, that what we need to have the settings. This is the payment gateways. So first of all, we need to set up at least the one payment gateway. So for the testing purpose, I am putting here or enabling here the cash on delivery payment gateway. So this is enabled already, as I have enabled this one already. Now I am going to the account and privacy section. There you need to put this one as a checkbox. Click on this one, allow customer to create an account during checkout, because we have the options also. Whenever the checkout process is going on, you can be a member, MLM member from there as well. Allow customers to place the order checkout without an account. So this one option also you need to enable. When creating account, automatically generate an account username for the customer based on their name, surname or the email. When creating the account, automatically generate an account password. This is the options. If you need, not need, then you can uncheck this one. This is the some options, that is the WooCommerce options to create the account whenever you are placing the first time order on the WooCommerce. So it will be depend on you, but you need to enable these things like this one and this one, so you can easily be a member from the checkout as well. So we have the two types. Basically, we have the three types of the options to be a member of Unilevel WooCommerce. One is the like by our page, that is the registration page. Why is the member will be registered? That will be directly member. That will be the unpaid member of the network. By the checkout, if you are placing the order and being the member from checkout page, then definitely you will be not created directly while the order is not completing in the WooCommerce. So whenever the order will be complete or whatever status of the order you will map in our plugin, according to that status, the member will be created and the commissions also will be distributed at that time. Another option is that suppose a member, a user, simple user, that is the normal user of the WordPress, wants to be a member of the multi-level marketing, it's mean that unilevel WooCommerce, then you can or that member can join unilevel WooCommerce or MLM plan. That we have also the options there. So now I am going to install our plugin. Just a minute. I am going to the plugin part and I am activating this one like that, this one activate, and this has been plugin has been activated. So as the plugin will be activated, these options will become here, and as we will go here, then definitely the register user, you register first user of the Unilevel. So it means that this called as a company user or the root user or the first user. We called by the three terminology, this one like the company user, first user or the root user of the MLM marketing. So I am giving here like that the company at the rate test.com. I am having the password 123456 company at the rate test.com. I will have the only on the company name here. Company. Just I am having these things. So as I will create this one, some settings will become here like that. These are the already I have configured these settings, but I will explain about this one. So as you will go in the product info of this one, then definitely you will get the documentation of the plugin as well. So here in the starting, this describes that how the plugin will be installed in that one. So as this has been created like that, sorry, this is the something else. No. Sorry, this is the mistake basically. I am opening this one. Let'sms.com. From there, you can go as a unilevel WooCommerce documentation here. So this is the exactly the documentation as first user created here. These are the settings that I will explain about these settings. Let me explain first of all these settings. User register user to the Unilevel during the checkout. So this is the options whenever you will click on this one or will have this one settings, then definitely the to be the member from the checkout page of the WooCommerce, we provide the options there. And if you will fill the options informations there as we will ask, then you will be able to register from there as well. Whenever the order will be completed or whatever the order, we will have matching in our settings. Now I am going to the this options redirect after the registration. So as we have the registration page there, so after registration, my account will be to the my account, the user will be redirected directly. Okay, after login. So affiliate user redirect, it means that whenever the new member is coming and using the affiliate URL, then definitely he will be registered on the registration page as we have configured here. Mostly we need to have the registration page, otherwise you can have anything. And here we are having the number of the levels, that is the sevens. So according to the documentations we are going to, so we create the documentations based on the 7 levels. So these are the levels, are the sevens. Number of referrals, these are the 4 referrals. So like this one, this is the limit we have provided, like that the one member can have under the self the 4 members only on, not more than the 4 members anyhow. If you will put the 10 here, then you can have the 10. So that will be called the 1 by 10 matrix as well. Otherwise, you can have blank this one, and in that case the unlimited users you can have under you. So if you need the limitless, then mostly you can use like the 1 lakh or whatever the. So you put like this one, I am putting here the 4 only on. This is the withdrawal limit, this is the minimum and the maximum. So this is the minimum, it means that the how much money user can request or the member can request for the withdrawal in a one request. And this is the minimum 100 and the maximum 10,000. So I have given this one limit, so you can put anything limit here. Plan based on, I have given here the two options like the price and the point, price based and the point based. So this is the two types of the plans here, like the price based and the point based. So I am putting here the or having the price based only on right now. This is the eligibility criteria or eligibility settings there. So these eligibility settings have the like whenever you will have the two direct referral or personal referrals, then you will be able to get the commissions. Now, this is the distribute ineligible commissions. So it's mean that the whenever the member is not eligible, in that case also the user will get the commissions, but that commission will be distributed when the user will be eligible according to the settings whatever we have provided here. So I have set these things as well, enable these things. Now I am going to the mapping part. So this is the mapping for the order status for the WooCommerce. Basically, whenever the order will be completed like this one as I have given, you can have anything order status there, but mostly the on the completed order status this happens. So I put here the order completed here. So on the order completed, the commission will be distributed and as well the member will be registered if the member is not registered already in the system. So I am saving this one. Now this is the payout settings. So as per the documentations we have given here, everything. So I am doing the settings like the company. There are the five types of the commissions we are providing here. One is the company commission, another is the second one is the joint commission, third one is the referral commission or the affiliate commission. Fourth is the bonuses commission. Fifth is the level commission. We consider that one the level commissions. So right now I am explaining the company commission. Company commission is like that one whatever the company will receive on each purchasing by the member. What is the percentage of that one? We have the two options here, the fixed or the percentage. So I have given here the percentage format only on right now. But in the more videos, I will explain about the or give the demo with the fixed price as well. So company commission here, the joint commission lets me that whoever the member is joining, then the member will get the some commission on that one. That is also we can consider as a discount. But that discount will be as a commission, not like actually a discount as we are purchasing something and we are getting the 10% off on that one. That is not possible on that. So that is not the part basically. This is after making the payment, then you will receive the commission. It's mean that whatever the member is joining there, he will get the commission. And this will be the one-time process or one-time commission. Company commission is the every time commissions that company will receive every time. Joint commission is the member commission that will get only on the one time. Referral commission or the affiliate commission is the sponsor commission. We can consider this one as a sponsor commission. And every sponsor, it's mean that the whenever the member will make the payment or place any order, then whatever the price of that order, total of that order, 15% of that total amount of order will transfer to the sponsor. So this is called the referral commission or the affiliate commission here. This is the service charges, this is the TDS, this is the cap limit amount. Service charges is the charges that is applied by the company. So I have this one as a 7%. TDS I have the 5%, and cap limit this is the 10,000. It means that more than the 10,000, the user could not get the commission anyhow in the process. So a company can have any number of amount like that. The 10,000 I have put here, the 1 lakh we can have here, okay, or the 10 lakh we can have here. So this is the limit, basically cap limit to the members, that more than this amount the member could not get the commission anyhow. Whatever the network is exist there does not matter about that one. So here the bonuses number of the direct referrals basically. This is the extra bonuses like that. The if suppose I am the sponsor and I have the two direct referrals under me, then I will receive the 100 euro or the whatever the currency is set up in the WooCommerce at this time. So as the same thing with the four, if we have the four or I have the four direct referral, then I will get the 250 euros more, not the 50 only, not the 150 only on. Here I will get the 250 directly. So as I will have the 8 direct referrals, then 350 more, 12 direct referrals, 700. So this is the regular commission or the regular bonuses. The company will be decide that what they wants to have or what they wants not have here. So this will be on depend on the company basically. So now I am going to the commission sections. This is basically the label. So I have given as in the general settings, we have given the 7 labels there. So this is the label like this one, the bronze, silver, gold, platinum, diamond, crown, and the S. The admin can change anything here, whatever the name he wants. So I put the 25 percentage here for the first level, 22% for the second level, 17 percentage for the third level, 13.5% for the fourth level, 10.5% for the fifth level, like the 7.5 for the sixth level, and 4.5 for the seventh level percentage. So I put this one. This is the licensing things. So I have disabled a license for the self because I am providing the demos here. But whoever will use this one, he needs to use the commission and use the license, and without the license many functionality will not work anyhow. So you need to purchase. If you want to purchase, then definitely you will click on this one, and this will be redirect to the MLM trees. There you can purchase the Unilevel WooCommerce. So another option here, the distribute commission. So this is the commissions that the admin can manually distribute to the members. Same thing for the payout. This is the another tab here, the payout run, and by this one the payout will be run and the members will get the commissions. This is the report. This will be the report of the payouts. This will be the report for the users, user reports. Withdrawal staff have the records of the withdrawal request that is requested by the members of the network. The genealogy is the part to represent the graphical tree of the multi-level marketing. So everyone can easily understand how the things is working there. So this is the configurations part. Let me explain about the email setting as well here. We have given the four options for the email settings, that the registration email, withdrawal request email, withdrawal pay mail, and payout mail. So these are the mails settings like that. The whenever the new member is registering at that time by the registration form at the time, what mail should be go to the members or admin. There is the given the options admin, user, or admin and user. So like that the welcome to be part of Unilabel. I put here the title, and this title will be of your mail. Now here, like the suppose I am giving the name hello XYZ. You are welcome in MLM family. Your detail are following: name, user key, user ID. So whatever the options here, you can put those things. But some options are enabled or disabled based on the email. Like there, the for the some emails, the requirement of like this one withdrawal, bank detail, and payout and etc. So everything depend on the like the whatever we are using, which one option. So there's withdrawal. As I will click on the withdrawal, then definitely this section, it means that withdrawal section has been enabled here. So or the bank detail has been enabled here, by which you can use the options whatever the withdrawal, referral, join, current, bonus, label, etc. shopping, etc. So I am putting here the both and the welcome. Suppose thank you for withdrawal request. Hello, this one. Thank you for withdrawal request. Withdrawal request amount is you can have some more options, but you need to know about those things. So I am going to the withdrawal pay mail. As the admin will confirm, then you will get the withdrawal pay notifications in your email. So I am having this one, the admin and the user. So this is the uh, withdrawal payment mail. So I am having here hello, name, we have paid your withdrawal request for the amount. So total shopping ETCs, whatever you can have, there is the given the options like this one. So if we are having here the saving, and after this one we are going to the payout mail. So as we will go to the payout mail, there is the options are enable also for the payout, payout total, payout date, and the payout sections. So these are the some things like that the we need, like welcome to new payout, welcome to new payout, hello, I am giving here name of the user, you have got new payout, so congratulations to grow up. I save this one, so these mails will be triggered there whenever I have given the options. This is the SMS settings. So the we support for the text local or the Twilio or the Plibo, whatever the you need, you can configure here. But if anything is not working, then definitely that is the part of like mm, SMS gateways changes the mechanism. So at that time, if the mechanism has changed, then definitely this section will be chargeable if it is not working, because we need to integrate again whatever the they have, or the SMS gateway payment, SMS gateways has disable or increase or some extra features has been added. Okay, so this is the SMS settings as well. So without this one setup, nothing will become. So you need to configure here. I am not configuring here because uh, I don't have right now the accounts for the settings, but I have tested in demo accounts, but I did not have the paid account for these. So this is the video for the installations process, Unilevel WooCommerce. I will create the more videos with everything that is in this one plugin that we have created, and whatever you will request it, we can customize anything in this one. So we have created this one for the WooCommerce, and this will be the very awesome plugin for everyone that is planning to the multi-level marketing. Please subscribe our channel, that is the Let's CMS, for the Let's CMS, so you can get more videos regarding the multi-level marketing as we will create the plan. So first of all, check this one, and we have provided also the demo in the documentations like that. We have the MLM trees website. In this one website, our product is given there. So you will have here everything, and you will have the widget documentation, front end demo, admin demo, everything is there. So thank you for this one, and I will come with more videos regarding this one plugin. Thank you.